Ladies and gentlepeople, let me introduce you to gravity racing.
And off goes VPK. Let's see what they can do. The spectacular. Oh, he's wiped it out at the end into the straw bale. Oh, he's fine. It's only a short run. No, he's gone. Wow. Around the berm. Oh, no, not around the berm. Straight up the berm and back down again.
In America, the sport is more popularly known as soapbox derby. The soapbox derby is a youth soapbox car racing program which has been running in the United States since 1933. Cars competing in this and other related events are unpowered, relying completely on gravity to move. The fastest speed ever achieved in a soapbox car is 370 km per hour or 85 miles per hour, and it was achieved by Guy Martin from the UK at Mount Venox, France on the 16th of October 2014. Originally, gravity racer cars were built from wooden soap or apple crates and roller skate wheels, but have grown more sophisticated over time with materials like aluminum and fiberglass now being used. I believe bringing this sport to Jamaica is going to create a new generation of car enthusiasts who are more interested in the handling traits of their car over the horsepower. It's the right start for a young car enthusiast, seeing as how driving characteristics from soapbox derby almost exactly mirrors that of real life driving. You get to see and feel how adding weight gives the car more momentum, acceleration, top speed, and cuts down on air resistance and drag. You can even start to learn to read the input from your tires, knowing the exact point where your tires will break traction and lose grip around a corner. And since you're building your own car, you get to see how all the bits and pieces work together, making soapbox derby the perfect way to get started as a car enthusiast.